They look at me, they think I'm lost in the mind. Got this label on my back like I'm one of a kind. Autism, they think it's a curse, but I'm spitting these bars, think I'm ready to burst. Pink elephants in the room, they're mocking my moves, but these shadows ain't got the power to choose. So I step into the mic, let them know what I'm saying. Each syllable's a bullet, ain't no way I'm delayed in. So stand tall, keep it cool, just let your voice chime. They can't break you down with their petty little crimes. I'm on in the story, writing the lines in my grime. So watch the king rise up, cause I'm taking my time. DJ, yeah, they're gonna remember my name. Autistic vibes, but I'm more than a box. Bullets from their mouth, but I'm letting them talk. A big puzzle piece is just like a maze. They're trying to play me down, but I'm setting the blaze. Got my thoughts intertwined, yeah, I'm complex. You think you can dim me? You better show some respect. Or look in the mirror and check your intellect. Why they gotta throw shade when you're built to like the way you're unique, you're a vibe, so let the music play.